Hey, how's it going? This is Dale Pearson with Pearson Brothers Winery, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Saccharo Creamcicle. This is a very delicious summer drink and it's one of our most popular. First, you start with 3 ounces of Pearson Brothers Private Reserve honey wine. Mix in 1 ounce of real coconut cream. And 3 ounces of orange juice. Put it in a shaker. Shake it up good. Serve it over ice. Pearson Brothers Private Reserve Saccharo Creamcicle. One of the best summer cocktails you'll ever have.